Breaking news, my lovely, wonderful people, is happening. Edo Assembly rejects Obaseki's request for supplementary budget. Obaseki is leaving the show. When I mean he's leaving the show, he's handing over precisely the 12th day in November, and yet is asking for supplementary budget. The new administration, Governor-elect Senator Monday, has sent a strict warning to banks and lending organizations that nobody should lend to Edo State. He said because he will not accept, his administration will not pay, and what have you. So he said all these words, and yet Obaseki presented to the House of Assembly a supplementary budget, which they all vehemently rejected, saying, "You've got precisely just 2 weeks to leaving the government house. What exactly is this supplementary budget for?" Don't forget that Obaseki has also just employed about is it 2,000 or 4,000 teachers. He has established new chieftaincy order in one of the local government area in Edo State, of which, if the new administration says they will not augment in terms of finances, it will set the new administration at loggerheads with the people that Obaseki has either given the employment or installed as chiefs. So you can see a bit of what we call confusion. And so the House of Assembly have said, Obaseki, let's call it spade is spade. What is not good is not good. Let's see. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Let's get all the details. The Edo State House of Assembly has turned down a request from the outgoing governor, Godwin Obaseki, for approval of another supplementary budget barely 2 weeks to his exit, and fourth since January 2024. This will be the fourth budget Obaseki has brought in. House, headed by Speaker Blessing Agbaba, has has approved three supplementary budgets since January 2024, with the third amounting to 450 billion on the eve of September 21st governorship election. The latest request, which was turned down on Monday, noted Obaseki was for him to provide money for the incoming governor, Senator Monday, to use in settling down in the business of governance. However, Center for Good Governance and Public Safety has described the supplementary budget as fraudulent and abuse of power in a conspiracy between the legislative and executive arm of government, while calling on Obaseki to protect public properties from looters, since he's still the governor and is chief executive of the state. The center challenged him to prove that he was not in with those who wants to loot government property. The center in a statement said increasing trends of public officers, including security agencies, looting government properties when one government is transiting to another has become a great concern to the nation's democracy. The statement signed by Solomon noted that public servants and politicians have continuously been looting government properties in Edo State under the watch of Obaseki, who has constantly claimed that he is the governor of the state until 12th of November, when he hands over to the new governor. He has constantly reminded everyone that he's still the one in charge. Given details of piles of property in Edo State, it narrates how many political elements went to the streets in New Benin and uprooted solar street light poles and solar panels, and were already installed by the Obaseki's administration and taking it for personal use. In other developments, some agencies of the government were also recorded removing a brand new 500 kVA generator from the premises of the Edo State's Geographic Information Center along Saple Road, Benin. Igbeho also stated that a lady has also been caught removing new television sets, fridge, and a brand new Hilux from the premises of the Nigerian Observer newspaper at the Victor Waifu hub. The governor's silence, the center notice, is shocking. This is a man who was feared and dreaded by public service, who have been called iron bender in the past 7 years, the statement reads. It is either the governor was corporate or he had abandoned governance and allowing these people to steal. We are therefore calling on the police, DSS, EFCC to clamp down on those looting properties of Edo State government in such bold display. The transition committee under Dr. Pius Odubo should also petition the security agencies because this property were purchased with Edo State resources. The people of Edo State should volunteer more information on those that have looted government properties in the states to serve as deterrent to others, the statement further reads. So this is what is happening, my lovely people. Obaseki don't request say make them come, make them come give another money. Now they say no. Obaseki, what you want is the other money do? They don't give you some money before. What you want is the money do? Obaseki talk and come and make everybody hear. He say when we say when that they prepare money for the new government. So when the new government come, we have to do transition. They say Obaseki, transition how? Transition how? From where to where? Maybe the new government come inside and but more know what I go do transition now. Shebi go feel you write your own request where they say they not agree approve and the speaker of the house say no. Obaseki, no means no. They not agree approve. They say since only January till now, Obaseki do over 450 billion. We they ask me they approve here and there. Where Obaseki not be sent to and the rest of them too not be sent. Now, so most of them they do. Now, because in Obaseki, now they hear this one, so all of them are the same. That's why I keep begging you, my lovely people, don't let any politician use you. At the end of the day, oh dear, you don't understand it. At the end of the day, they go move like say nothing happened. Politicians, you don't know them. You don't know them at all. They not get level. They're not they not only they are self that they fight for. Most of them are what we call with definition of selfishness. Okay, if there's any other word called selfishness, now the definition be that they not care. Sincerely, truly speaking, they don't care. They don't know whether the masses, they need to survive. They don't care, like care, from where to where. So that's why they tell now again and again, so make everybody, make all eyes open, make all ear hear. No say enough is enough. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. God bless. Bye for now.